Boom, there we go. I told you. As soon as we see the clothes, we're coming through, right?
NPCs. They don't.
This thing's flying.
No.
You could have entered along this entire position and you'd be up big right now.
This gonna be a fucking Lambo, Rari. Whatever the fuck I want, that's what it's gonna be.
Trading a 10K fund, if you're trading any size account, to me it's always 1%.
Because I want this bad. I want this bad enough. If you don't want it this bad, then you don't want it bad enough.
Mamba has literally been winning and has won every single day, documented in every single video I've posted for the past 2 weeks now. And if you might want to join, it's in the first link of every video description.
Boys, day 7, I'm just on the way to fucking boxing. About to do a bit of sparring, a bit of training, you know how we go. Boys, you might have been fucking loving every single video. If you're not already subscribed, bro, join the movement. You ain't just not following. These motherfuckers are cool. The amount of people that, bro, the amount of people that are fucking messaging me every single day telling me to keep up with this shit. You know how motivating this shit is. Honestly, boys, I know every single one of you want to win. I want to see every single one of you fucking win. Everyone that's commenting, everyone that's in the Discord, everyone that's showing up every single day the same way I am, posting these videos, trading every single day. On you all to fucking keep going.
NPCs. They don't know about breakout trading like me. Trust me, mate. They don't know about Us30. Don't know about NASDAQ.
Brokies! Yo, check on me in 2, 3, 4 years, boys. Shit's gonna change. This gonna be a fucking Lambo, Rari. Whatever the fuck I want, that's what it's gonna be.
Yo, boys. Honestly, one thing I'll mention to you, man, that's struggling with discipline, struggling with consistency, struggling with, you know, sticking to your plan. One thing I would say is, earlier this year, I actually jumped back into boxing just because I understand that outside of the charts, the way you do and run your life outside charts is going to help and implement you with fucking in the charts. So what I would say, which not a lot of people speak about, is if you want to work on the discipline and work on getting fucking stop over trading, boxing, as well as diet, I've decided, I'm still currently on a journey, but boys, I've decided about 8 weeks ago, 9 weeks ago now, I'm going to track all my food, discipline every fucking meal I take. Why? Because how you are outside of the charts is going to reflect in the charts. Because I want this bad. I want this bad enough. If you don't want it this bad, then you don't want it bad enough. I need to make sure everything outside is going to fucking reflect on the in, just to make shit work. So boys, check yourselves and fucking run it up.
Yes, sir. Guess who's back? You guys all here and see me?
We've had quite a drop off. We've had quite a sell off these past few days. So I think we're going to buy today. I'm pretty sure we're going to buy today. Whilst Mamba's marking out, I'm also marking out. So I'm learning all at the same time and making sure I'm getting shit right. Market opens in 5 minutes. So we have more than enough time. Boys, as you can see, this is my screen here. I've marked up exactly what I've seen with Mamba. Last Friday when Mamba didn't take a trade, I did take a nice W. Beautiful trade. But yeah, we are learning. I've learned a lot from Mamba this week. I'll go over it all later on.
Last week we had a very, very solid week.
Very solid. I just fucked up every single day, unfortunately. Like a dosser.
Just make sure you guys don't come on here acting stupid just because we had a great week last week. We had like 5 wins last week, 1 loss, but
Crazy.
just 6 wins actually because we took 2 trades on 2 days. But again, we're not taking that into this week. It's a brand new week. The markets are brand new. We don't know how they're gonna act. So be careful. Don't risk a lot. You know what I'm saying? Let's do this the right way. Yeah, let's not be stupid. And if we have, let's just say, for instance, today's a bad day. Well, tomorrow we'll make up for it as long as you don't risk your entire account today. But you guys get stupid sometimes.
Boys, I'm just risking 1% per trade every single day. When we look at my P&L a little later, you'll see I just made so many stupid fucking mistakes. Past 2 weeks, last week was a beautiful week. Mamba won every single trade, as you just heard. 6 trades he won. And I just fucked up every single time, either under risk, over risk. Technical difficulties, just every single day I did some bullshit. This week, I'm telling you boys, I ain't doing none of that. This week is going to be a clean, beautiful week, and we're going to be clean and in the green. Market is about to open. Let's go. Also, we should put this on because, boys, we are flying on the YouTube channel right now. I need that next support, you get me? Right, market's just opened.
Come on now.
Let's go.
What are we going to get out of it today? We're going up. Probably wouldn't take a buy at this level. I'll take a buy at this level. I want to make sure that's what we're doing. Probably. We'll see. You guys just go on my cue, okay? If I say we're in, we're in. Oof, NASDAQ is Kind of pushing a little bit, but I'm focusing on US30 today. And I'm time to be stand.
Yo, so it is pushing upwards. I do see that. He's marking out.
That's what our buy would be like on NASDAQ. I'm not going to get faked out here, though. See what I'm saying? Potential buys here if it breaks above on NASDAQ. I'm telling you, I was predicting sells on US30 preferably, but we'll see what happens here. We're respecting this channel still. We're going to squeeze out.
I know this is sells, but I actually prefer buys.
All right, we're taking a buy position here. Additional push.
So look, boys, at this point, Mamba has literally just entered a buy after obviously going on about having a bias towards sells. Doesn't mean he's going to take a sell. It's just what he's thinking the same way I believed he was going to take buys. And so he's entered the buy, but I didn't yet enter at this point because although it broke a trend and it broke a mini resistance, it didn't break the resistance like up here, as you can see in the video. And I just didn't feel comfortable taking this buy. So in this time round, I didn't take the buy. And like I said in previous last week's videos, I'm going to go into this week using my own knowledge and things I've learned within the live trading group. And so I just didn't feel comfortable taking this buy, so don't actually take it. But yeah.
Let's be very, very risk friendly. I always tell you guys, man, you don't know if it's our, it might be our first trade, doesn't mean it's our last, right?
I'm personally waiting for it to break out the second area. I'm not gonna lie.
An issues right here at this resistance, just
Yeah,
a little
see,
bit.
that's just. I'm personally waiting. I didn't want to enter that. I am using my own brain, like I said this week.
No way we fake out that
Yeah, I
fast.
thought so.
Are you out of your fucking mind?
Yeah,
That was the
I'm-
fastest fake out I think I've ever been hit with.
So
That's
glad
just
I
gonna
didn't
fly
take
back
that.
up though. I should just held.
So glad I didn't take that trade. But
I should have just
push
held.
back up
Shit.
now. I'll be waiting for it to push past this support, this resistance here personally.
And I should have held that position. I don't know why the fuck I got out.
See, Nasdaq's potentially going to take buys. So this candle closes in 40 seconds. So it'll be interesting to see where the candle does close. Yo, boys, if you haven't already, make sure you sub up. Every single day I'm dropping this content, live trading with Mamba, trading myself. This week I'm going to start using my own actual bias and things I've learned, like you've just seen. So it's going to be a good, man. So subscribe.
That shit moved like crazy.
Coming out of sales.
Nasdaq's just about to hit entry zone for a buy.
Nasdaq's the buy.
We got to push on Nasdaq.
I mean, Nasdaq,
There it is,
boys.
Nasdaq.
Little bit of a late fill, I can't lie. Shit entry on my behalf.
I need Nasdaq to push. I'm buying Nasdaq now.
But I do see Nasdaq still pushing.
US30 may push to the downside as well. One of those days where there's just a lot.
I don't like how US30 is coming down and Nas is going up. I hate when it does that shit. I prefer them to just be concrete.
I might put my stops to break even on Nasdaq. Sounds weird to do it so early, but
Really?
super bullish.
Right, cool. Well, I've got out of Nasdaq since he's saying that.
So look, boys, psychology got the better of me in this particular trade. I was wanting buys. I told you, you've seen the video so far. I was wanting buys the whole time. Mamba rented the buy, but I ended up just getting a really shit feeling entering really late. Now, in the grand schemes of things, I didn't really enter that late, but for some reason, because US30 was coming down, it really affected my psychology and my confidence in the buy trade on Nasdaq, even though I was calling buys the entire time. And so I got out of this trade, and well, kind of fucking annoying, but you'll see. But I also make up for it at the end of this video, so continue watching.
I'm still waiting.
Just look at the entry I got on this. Horrible. Way too far. But...
Actually, which is nice. We have a good candle closure on the 5.
Oh, boys, I fucked it. I should have gone in.
Sometimes Nasdaq is all you need. You're right. NQ is it's the way to go. But let's go, baby. Target 3. You got it nice. Really nice.
What is going wrong with me?
I actually like the entry here. Would have been a better entry. I mean, even here, like if we would have traded it off this, and I have it marked up on my other chart like this too. If we would have entered a buy here off this break of a trend / first resistance,
Right, US30
right at market open, oh my gosh.
I fully missed it again, boys. I fully fucking missed it. What is going on? Why did I get out of that trade? Why did I get out of that trade?
Let's go, baby. Okay, so we started off with a little 30K loss. That's fine. $30,000 loss is not great. But then I went and made $70,000, making up for the 30K, but then also putting in another $35,000 plus in profit. So you can take losses. It's normal. You're going to take losses in life and anything you do, especially with trading. You're going to take losses. It's how you come back.
US30.
It's what you make after the loss that really matters. How much did you lose on the day? Because today it's none. I didn't lose anything on the day. I made $35,000 plus. So that first loss is irrelevant. It means nothing to my day. It means nothing to my life. It's as simple as that. You take losses, you keep on going. It is what it is. It's life. So let me tell you something about this room really quick, guys, before we even move on any further. We're going to win way more than we lose. Way more. I mean, it's not even freaking close. We're going to win way more than we lose. The way that you manage your risk is everything.
Yep.
Everything is going to be risk management. Last week, we had 1 loss, 6 wins. 1 loss, 6 wins. Today, 1 loss, 1 win. But last week was only 1 loss and 6 fucking wins. If you risk manage well, you don't over leverage, you don't trade too much, you don't risk too much per trade, you're going to be fine. We're pushing to a target fucking 3 on NASDAQ, by the way.
Stop.
Just a heads up.
Stop.
This thing's flying.
Oh, no.
You could have entered along this entire position, you'd be up big right now.
Oh. Fuck's sake. Ah.
Target 3.
Boys, why?
And that's why I did not take US30 on this droppage, because NASDAQ's paying out. No reason to be greedy. There's no reason to come in here and be greedy and look for extra, look for more. Why?
Why the fuck did I get out?
If you're getting paid, get paid. Don't look elsewhere to get paid.
Bastard.
Made about 35, 40,000 bucks today, man. If I would have just held this freaking position, bro, would have been set up for the next couple of days. But almost passing my funded assessment, only taking 3 trades with you. Let's go. Yeah, should have held. I agree. I messed up there too. Should have held. It happens. It happens. I don't like to look back at hindsight. You know what I mean? There's nothing we can do now. I set my stops to break even usually after target 1. By target 2, I'm closing half. Today I closed all.
Oh, boys.
Main things to look out for when optimizing. I mean, realistically, it's just about being consistent and just relaxing, not getting too much in your head. Do the same thing every single time. Listen to what I'm telling you. If you're trading a 10K fund, if you're trading any size account, to me, it's always 1%. I would open up 2 positions at 1% each, maybe let the first percent take you to target 1 and then close out and let the other one run. That's probably how I would do it personally. We don't lose a lot in this room. We don't lose a lot in general. But there is times where you can go into a losing streak. Losing streaks are normal, and it does happen. So definitely be aware of that, right? Be aware of that. So don't go crazy every day and do 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%. But for the most part, you can get away with that. If you can feel that the markets aren't doing so well maybe at a certain period of time, well, then slow down and back up a little bit. Yeah, I mean, fake outs is the only thing that kills us as scalpers and breakout traders. Take 1 win, 1 loss. It's all right. We come back tomorrow. We come back stronger.
Right, boys. I'm not going another day today where I don't have a winning trade. I refuse. Beautiful trade. Absolutely unreal. And what did I go do? Again? Why? Why do I keep fucking this? I'm overthinking it. That's what at the minute, I'm in my head. I fully am in my head. NASDAQ has flown. What a beautiful trade that was. Boys, I may have to just take a trade on my own today. The show must go on. It must. It has to go on, right? Nah, boys, I'm in. Boys, I'm in US30. I'm in US30. We've broken out here. NAS has shown such a massive buy. Like, I just believe that US30 now is going to have to come up. Like I've been saying this whole time, it has to fill this area. It just has to at some point fill this. So, yeah. I just believe this is going to come up. Right, 30 pip stop loss. Boys, I'm taking this trade on my own today. I'm going to have to. I need to get some content out for you, man. Can't be doing another day where I'm fucking messing around. Boom. There we go. pushing. That's what I want. I want it to break out of this resistance now. This is exactly what I want. Boys, it just has to push. Literally has to push. Yeah, all right, there we go. There we go, boys. Boys, if you want this Fibonacci, if you want these Fibonacci settings, literally in my Discord, grab them. Boom. Stops are about to go to break even. How the fuck do I do it now? My stops are now at break even. Boom. There we go, boys. We'll keep on pushing. Target profit target is going to be this week here. Boom. Now, boys, I need to take out 50% of my position. Edit position. Oh, boys, I'm going to take out a 1.5. I need to start opening 2 positions. This is what I need to start doing. 0.15. Oh, boys. 0.15. We're about to close. So this candle's about to close. I want it to close above. Please close above in the next 35, 40 seconds. That's what we want. Because as soon as this closes above, and if it does close above, then we're going to see some nice push come through. That's what likely happens. But stops are now at break even. So we are lovely there. Right. Boom. Boom, there we go. I told you. As soon as we see the close, we're coming through. Right. Right, there we go, boys. Right. I'm closing half of my position. 0.15. Close.
So, yo, boys, real quick. At this point, I actually exit at TP2, 50% position rather than TP1. Now, I was thinking during this trade, if I'm closing 50% of my position, right? Essentially, even if I lose tomorrow, like, my loss is still double my win. So I'm thinking, would it make more sense to close 50% of my position at TP2 and then let that run? I can't really work out what to do. I think I just need to do something and stick to it and just like find consistency in it. That's the issue I'm having right now. Because I know some of you be like, you didn't close 50% of your position at TP1. And I fully get that, but like, yeah, I'm literally just self-analysing as I'm watching this.
Boom. Boys, we're letting this shit run now. Boys, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Boys, we have to fill this area. I told you, man, we have to fill this area. Right? I want it to break above here now. This is my next zone I want it to break above. We break above here, boys, we should be good for the day. But stop sign out, break even. This time I'm even going to start to begin to trail stop loss. So if we can push above here, I will then start to trail up. In fact, I'm going to even... You know what? I'm going to trail up even there. Why not? Or is that silly? Go on, boys. I want it to push. I need it to push above this area here. You see all this? See all this friction? See all this friction here, boys? This is what I want it to push above. Because once we push through here, then we should be good. But boys, I am trading without Mamba right now. But you can tell, man, I'm learning. I've been learning. I've definitely been learning. So I'll put it to here above this wick here. Boom. So what have we just closed there? We've closed out at 7444. Just having an issue with this bit here right now. But I'm telling you, boys, if we can break through all this shit, we should be good. And all I'm going to do then is start to trail my stop. That's all I'm going to do. All I'm going to do. Last week, I was playing it a bit stupid. I was just like not trailing at all. And I was just losing unnecessarily amounts of profit for it, to be honest with you. Oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's what we want to see. All right, boys, I'm going to trail up. I'm now putting my stops below this candle here. As soon as we hit 3, I'm going to target 2 as my stop. Oh, beautiful push. Right, beautiful, beautiful. It is pushing. We're going to pay attention to previous areas now. This will be my next zone I want it to break through. I'm always paying attention, boys. If you've watched my channel for a little bit of time now, you'll notice that I pay attention to the previous days and look at where that's at. Right, we're starting to resist quite a bit now. Now we're going to bounce off here. Or we're going to bounce off. Look, going on to the 1 minute. We're going to bounce off, or are we good? We are good. Currently nice. Boys, lovely stuff. Yo, boys, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Right, boys, we're out. We're out. Winning day either way. That's how we're starting a Monday. Green. That's what we want to be doing, boys. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. So, boys, here we are in the P&L. This is in every link of every description. So if you want to see my P&L daily, how much I've made, how much I've lost, it's all here. As well, I'm tracking Mamba. I'm seeing whether Mamba wins or not. I'm tracking how many trades he takes and whether he has a winning or losing day. As well, as you can see here, we're also tracking, am I winning as well as Mamba? Am I consecutive within this? Now, looking at last week, I just messed up every single day. Last week was a phenomenal week. 1 to 5s, 1 to 3s, 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 1 to 2, like all this mad shit. I messed up every single day. Mamba in the group are winning every single day. And today, I guess I messed up. I didn't take Mamba's buy when I should have did, and I should have done, and I exited way too early, just out of like hesitation. But eventually, because I want to get some content out for you, man, I don't want to be waiting till tomorrow. I want Monday to start fresh, so I had to take that buy by myself. I told you this week I'm using my own bias and a little bit of my own brain on everything I've learned from the live trading room, from Mamba the past 5 months I've been in it. Like, I had to. So I took that buy and I don't care. Took it. But yo, boys, so Monday, today. So look, boys, today we took US30, was a buy, risked $1,000, 30 pip stop. Today was a W, one trade, $1,405 made, winning day. Mamba took 2 trades, lost the first. I didn't take that trade, I didn't believe in it. Too early. And then he also then made a W on NASDAQ, which is beautiful. Another thing I'm going to do, boys, as well, is take a screenshot of this trade. So, boys, I take a screenshot of every single trade that I take. And then what I do is I attach it to the P&L. So, US30, W, Monday, 21st July. Boom. Right? Then what I'll do is I'll share, copy the link, is I'll add the screenshot to today's trade. And you, man, can go literally look at every screenshot of every trade. For those that don't already know, I've been tracking my trades since I started YouTube last month. Boom. There. Every video is attached to every trade I've taken. Screenshots I've fucking added everything, boys. Like, it can't be as legit as you. It can't be as legit. Remember, boys, I am on my journey still. I've not made it yet. I'm still in the trenches. I'm still learning every single day, but I am definitely learning. But, boys, beautiful trade today. If you've not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to join live, yo, boys, look, if you want any of my free resources, you want the Fibonacci settings that Mamba uses, you want my lot size calculator, even if you want this tracking template where you can track all your trades every single day, all in my description, boys. I'm giving you, man, every fucking bit of sauce I've got. And if you want to join Mamba's live trading room every single day, what I'm using to trade with Mamba, as you can see, my man has been winning. Mamba has literally been winning and has won every single day, documented in every single video I've posted for the past 2 weeks now. And if you might want to join, it's in the first link of every video description. I appreciate every single one of you. Every single one of you being fucking engaging. I love all the support, boys. Appreciate it. I'll see you back again tomorrow. Boys, I will be here tomorrow. Mark my words. Making content for you, man. It is going to happen. I'm trying my best. Boys, appreciate every single one of you. Another day, another fucking dollar. Love.